Hello, everyone. Today is January 4th, and I am going to tell you again about Bitcoin, and this is another warning for you. Okay, yesterday actually a couple days back we talked about maybe taking some Bitcoin off the table. We talked about maybe a little bit of room, but really looking for signs of pullbacks and probably going to start seeing that sort of thing happen. So what do we have here? By the way, you're going to find that my comments are very timely, so you might want to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bells for more videos that are certainly to come. Because again, you're going to find that my comments tend to be quite timely. So here I am on the 2nd of January, telling you that you might want to watch a little closer. You might want to be tightening up your stops. These are all clues to you to say, hey, depending on what your objectives are, whether you're an investor, a trader, whatever the case may be, it's time to think about maybe taking some profits, taking some percentage of your position off the table, tightening up your stops, maybe selling altogether, depending on who you are and what you're trying to accomplish. We could talk further about that. You can put some comments in there if you like, if you want to discuss these kind of things a little further. But generally speaking, we thought that we were getting a bit toppy. As I said before, I call the 25,000 area lately. And and then the 26 to 28,000 I said was very important. So we had blown through that, and then I said we had run up about 30%. So here we are saying this on the 2nd of January, and true to warning signs, here I am in the my Telegram room that I've had for a couple of years now, and I'll simply tell you the comments. I'll read them to you word for word. Yesterday morning, I simply said Bitcoin. And by the way, this is before the altcoins really got their good move going on, because I didn't allude to that. But generally speaking, when we're thinking about taking profits or taking some coin off the table regarding Bitcoin, we're again, people in my chat room, my Telegram rooms know about this. We've said it all along. You're going to be looking for your altcoins to perform and probably have better spent money there. But we'll go into that in another video as well. But anyway, yesterday morning here, we're cruising along. We're in the 34s when I made the comments on the 2nd of January regarding Bitcoin. And here we are yesterday morning, and I come out and I say literally this. I say, Bitcoin struggling or consolidating with question marks. And I said, time will tell. That tells me because I kind of knew something was up, right? So then a little bit later, I noticed after the coins are running, the altcoins are running really well. What do I notice? Something I keep telling you about. This is why this is my second warning. I say Bitcoin not performing today with the altcoins. So see, that's your second clue, okay, of what I believe is to come, which is I think we're going to start seeing some signs of selling. So this is what I said yesterday, and so we get up this morning, and what do we have? Well, we have a big sell-off, right? And again, you're going to find these comments very timely, and I caution you, or I encourage you to hit the notification bell, because you're going to want to know about these things as they arise. And you're also going to know that I was probably the first person on the internet talking about any selling, right? So what happens after I make these comments? We get a huge sell-off. I get up in the morning, and uh, Bitcoin is trading in the 31,000s area. But if we go back and look at the chart, we'll find that we slam down, and we go to, say, Binance, for example. Where did we go down to with the slamming down? Let's see, 28,000. That number that I keep telling you about, I told you here it wasn't the 34,000s 2 days ago, and I'm telling you that 26, the top of that area, is going to be an important number to pay attention to. It. This is before it occurred. So now we get basically a 6,000 point slam down. And where do we stop at? 28,000. Showing you the significance of that number, telling you that I do know what I'm talking about, and this is good for you to know. And I told you I'm here to help you. So, very important number. We're going to want to see that number to continue to hold. Now, we've bounced back up through the 30,000 area, which really is going to be a psychological number to pay attention to as well. But my point to you is we've got big selling, and this could very well be just some profit taking. We don't know yet. Certainly a lot. But you have to remember, guys, we have been talking about Bitcoin and calling it from the bottom at 3,100. We have had a long run. We're talking about 1,100% move if anybody wants to do the math on that. Okay, so again, 28,000, important number. We've got our second warning, big sell-off. We did not perform with the altcoins. You put all these together, there's three coups. Now remember, if anyone bothered to listen to my introduction and what I do, my background and how I do it, well, I will always tell you that I'm looking for clues or connecting the dots or things that circumstances that say the same thing. So what do we have here? We've got Bitcoin, which did not perform at the altcoins yesterday. We've got a slam down all the way 6,000 points to the 28,000 area, although we held. Um, so these are all clues, guys, connecting the dots, if you will, that something's different about this environment. Okay, and that's why I told you within the next couple weeks. Really, could have been any time between now and the next couple of weeks. Is what I was thinking. I could have said it differently, but that's what I meant. So that being said, here we are. There's the signs. There's the warnings. Pay attention to these folks. Okay, pay attention because it very well might mean profits to you that you lose, and you certainly don't want to do that. So I'm an active trader. I wouldn't recommend everybody do what I do. I make really good percentage returns on my trades, but we're going to gear this a little more towards investors and longer term folks. Again, I said before, short term to me is 0 to 3 months, maybe midterm 6 to 12 months, and long term 12 months and longer. So depending on who you are, we'll try to categorize that best for you. That being said, 28,000 important number is held. We're over 30,000 right now. I think we're in the 31s right now. So we're going to continue to look. And you're going to want to come back to these videos and listen to the timely information I'm giving you. Right now, important number held, big sell-off, not participation. All clues, guys, all clues. I don't know how else to say it. This is just another warning for you to pay attention to. So we're going to see how the next week goes. But I do think that our upper numbers right now it's starting to show us that they are in fact upper numbers, if you know what I mean. So now we're just going to see how this plays out. We got the sell-off, we got the hold. Again, I'll be making comments about this as well as other coins. We see Litecoin perform very well, and there's some others to talk about as well. So please stay tuned and notification bell for those other videos, as we're going to be doing a lot this week, and you can see the action really dictates it anyway. So again, folks, share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and with that in mind, you all have a great day.